Partnered by Times Influence.
Last week, we decoded the success mantra of the telecommunication giant GeoDigital Life and how they are connecting millions of users across the country. We also witnessed how challenging the two theme rounds were: IoT by Accenture and Bots by AXA.
Hello and welcome to yet another exciting episode of TechGig Code Gladiators 2017 with me, Samruti Grover. In this episode, we talk to one of the leading providers of IT solutions in the travel and tourism industry, Amadeus Software Labs India Private Limited, and a look into all the action from the two-day offline hackathon being held in Bengaluru. Let the thrill begin. Amadeus Software Labs India is a pioneer in providing a global platform to the Indian travel industry by enabling access to state-of-the-art travel automation technology. In this ever-changing business environment, this conglomerate has been introducing innovative business solutions based on the technology of the future. Let's take a look at their growth story and their idea behind the association with TechGig Code Gladiators this year.
Traveling around the globe, exploring different cultures and cities, and all this with just one click of a button, bringing the world in your palm. This is the power of technology that makes a traveler's experience seamless and prepares them for their journey ahead.
Technology has made everything easier. You can pre-plan your trip. Before you even reach the place, you know where you're heading to. You have your accommodation, travel details, your itinerary. Everything is, fixed before you even reach the place. So I think solo traveling has become easier because of technology.
Making this traveling experience an efficient one is Amadeus Software Labs India Private Limited, a company that has been consistently introducing innovative and dynamic tech solutions to the global travel and tourism industry. Providing a unique travel ecosystem that is connected and secure, Amadeus has chalked out a phenomenal journey for its business partners and customers.
Amadeus is a 30-year-old organization and we are a leading solution provider for the travel industry. Our solutions transfers over all segments of travel, starting from airlines to hotels to airports to car rental agencies and cruise providers. So we have solutions for all segments of travel, and we also have solutions for all phases of travel. Right from the time a business traveler or a leisure traveler is thinking about making a travel, we call that the inspire phase. From the inspire phase all the way to the shopping, to the booking, to the on-trip and post-trip, we have solutions for all phases of travel.
Bringing these array of IT solutions at the forefront, Amadeus joined hands with TechGig Code Gladiators 2017, where they supported the theme Software Framework Architecture, where coders were given a challenge on how they can help in building the future of the travel and tourism industry.
We provide a technology platform for the travel industry. So the challenge that we had given to the Code Gladiators was to see how you can build a scalable, robust platform on which one of the segments of our customer base, which is the travel agencies, can build a solution which will increase the conversion ratio of a a casual shopper who turns into a serious shopper and books on the platform.
So the key word for any coder, programmer, technologist is to be able to adapt, to think on their feet and to kind of think for the future. So I think that's really the core of whatever we do in technology today. And that's exactly what we were looking for in the theme round that we sponsored. We're looking for people who can actually think for the future, think how travel is going to be in future and build products, ideas that can actually sustain through and probably even disrupt the future of travel industry.
At Amadeus, the excitement to be a part of TechGig Code Gladiators reached its crescendo as the big day grew closer. All eyes were on the finalists who were all geared up to share their expertise in the coding zone.
I expect it to be very, very tough. The 20 hours that we are going to spend out there hacking is not going to be easy. I hope we kind of finish it at the top.
We as a team, my role is the user experience and design, how the customer will use this product. So pretty much almost every week we meet for 2-3 hours to understand what we need to do for this finale. It's very important for us to get together as a team huddle and understand what we're going to deliver as an end product. Though we have a fair idea about the back-end part, I'm pretty much focused towards the front-end coding using Angular and other technologies to represent what we're going to have as an idea towards an end product.
More than 1,700 people who actually came and participated in this round, and of course our team was there to help them, encourage them, help them ideate and so on. And yeah, we'll see how it goes on towards the final. Yeah.
With a focus on high-quality coding, the solutions provided by Amadeus are reshaping the traveling domain, welcoming the future of travel across the globe.
It's now time to take you to the action-packed competition, the TechGig Code Gladiators finale venue. There's excitement in the air, the adrenaline is high. We get you the ground report from the offline hackathon.
After 70 days of combating online challenges, TechGig Code Gladiators 2017 was all set for the grand finale. And our quest to find the ultimate coding champion reached its final destination, the Silicon Valley of India, Bengaluru. The adrenaline was high, the atmosphere was pulsating, and the finale venue had turned into a fierce battleground. The gates were open for India's top coders as they were all set to conquer the coding arena. Amidst the 3-day coding extravaganza, the spotlight was on day 1 and day 2 when the theme rounds took place. After a successful run last year with their theme rounds, this year TechGig Code Gladiators took this challenge to an all-new level by hosting 10 mega theme rounds.
I'm here to participate in the Code Gladiators 2017 Software Architecture and Framework sponsored by Amadeus.
I've participated in the hackathon event arranged by Geo Digital Life, and my theme is DevOps.
I'm participating in the theme Machine Learning by Invesco.
I'm here to participate in the e-commerce coding hackathon sponsored by Shopperstop.
I'm here participating in IBM Watson theme round by IBM.
10 nerve-wracking themes and more than 150 participants have registered to take part in the theme rounds of this mega contest held at Sheraton Grand in Bengaluru. The turnout clearly proves that TechGig Code Gladiators is the country's biggest coding contest. And in its 4th year, it just promises to be bigger and better. A 3-day extravaganza, let's take a look at how our code masters are gearing up to conquer the theme rounds.
The teams were briefed before the contest was set to begin. Problem statements were given out, and then the clock was all set to start ticking. And what the world was about to witness was 21 hours of non-stop coding. The theme rounds this year were e-commerce and retail tech by Shoppers Stop. Big data analytics by Times Internet Limited. Data science by ITC Infotech. Machine learning by Invesco. Bot challenge by AXA. IBM Watson by IBM. Android by Digital Life. DevOps also by Digital Life. IoT by Accenture. And Software Framework Architecture by Medius Software India. Even halfway into the competition, the coders were completely engrossed in solving their problems and come out with a perfect solution that would change their life.
In going forward for this next 16 hours or 17 hours, so they have increased the complexity of the problem. So they have increased the whole, they have given a lot more data to work on. They have added new kind of files into that. So now we have to explore the more data. We have to take care of the infrastructure we have right now to acquire a lot of data. We need to find out new patterns into the given new data and then come on to the top of the leaderboard. So this is what we'll be doing into the next 16-17 hours.
It's a fun actually, so we are exploring a lot of coding within us, and it is really exciting to travel to solve a travel management industry problem, and it's all about learning, and it is a late platform for us to explore much about in terms of technology perspective.
We are feeling good. Our energy level is very high right now because we are exploring the new ways, as I said. So we are not going to see or look at the time, but we are looking at the ways how we have to do it.
As the coding marathon entered the evening hours, one could definitely feel the pressure building. Rajesh Gavas, one of the winners from last year's theme rounds, participated in the bot challenge this year, and it was not an easy feat for him.
It was like payment theme, and now it's a bot theme. So we have to create some automated solutions for transport system. So this year the problem is really challenging.
With participants bucking up for the final leg, it's time to take a quick break as we get you highlights from day 2 of the Codathon.